Welcome to the Click2Mail tutorial video for setting up your objects in Salesforce. I'll cover your CRM setup at the most basic level so you can be up and operating as quickly as possible. More in-depth videos covering the CRM Hub features are available on our website. At the heart of every CRM is the dataset for which you want to create your mailpiece. These datasets are called domain names. Click2Mail calls them mailing lists, which dates back to the early days when all we did was collect mailing addresses, whereas Salesforce calls them objects. Let's start with a CSV file since I plan to send my customers a reminder invoice regarding outstanding account balances. I'll need the name, address, account rep name, and the amount past due. The final piece of my CSV file will be a field required for Click2Mail's purposes, but not Salesforce's. C2M_unique ID. We'll discuss this field in a different video, but since you'll see it here, understand that your CRM does not require it, and we'll delete it later. Once you've determined what information you'll include in your mailpiece and created your CSV file, you'll log into your CRM and create the object. If your login doesn't start you on the setup page, you can get there by clicking on the gear icon on the top right. Click on the Object Manager tab. Click the Create drop-down button on the far right and select Custom Object from Spreadsheet. Salesforce may force you to log in again. Select Upload. Choose the CSV or Excel file. Find C2M_unique ID, delete it, and next. The label defaults to the CSV file name. You can keep it or change it. In our case, I'll rename it in a few seconds. For now, click Finish. Close the tab. In Quick Find, search for your object name. Click on the label name of your object. Select Fields and Relationships. Select the drop-down arrow to the right of the field label. In this case, it's the name of my CSV file. Change the data type to auto number, click Save, and then change the format however you wish. I chose a C2M style, but this doesn't matter and is not part of the mailing. These changes here mean you or your staff won't need to manually add a unique internal ID when creating a new record. Now, Salesforce will assign one to each new record automatically. Salesforce can be highly complicated depending on your setup and triggering events. If you have a triggering event, your Salesforce expert will set this object up for you. An example of a triggering event would be customer A being 5 days late for rent. Your CRM triggers the filling out of the custom object you've integrated with Click2Mail. Your CRM will load all the data automatically for you. Once a new record is added to this object, Click2Mail sends out the mail piece once integrated with Salesforce. Your triggering events are as unique as you are, which makes your CRM integration with Click2Mail the most potent tool in your arsenal. Events are not just limited to invoices, birthdays, anniversaries, legal documents, you name it. Click2Mail has seen it all. Now that your CRM is ready for Click2Mail, please watch our other videos on our website on creating documents and templates and setting up your integration on the CRM Hub. If you have any questions, contact our customer support team at 866-665-2787.